Herbal infused water is an excellent way to stay hydrated while reaping the numerous health benefits herbs have to offer. By infusing water with herbs, you can enhance flavor, promote wellness, and add essential nutrients to your daily hydration routine. Start with refreshing herbs like mint, which aids digestion and provides a cooling effect, perfect for hot days. Basil adds a unique taste and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. For a citrus twist, try rosemary. It complements lemon-infused water and supports cognitive health. Simply add fresh herbs to a pitcher of water, let it steep for a few hours in the fridge, and you'll have a revitalizing drink ready to enjoy. You can also experiment with combinations like cucumber and mint for a refreshing spa-like experience, or ginger and lemon for a zesty kick. Not only do these drinks taste great, but they can also help detoxify your body, boost your immune system, and provide antioxidants. Herbal infused water is suitable for all ages, making it a delightful addition to your family's hydration habits. Elevate your water game and embrace the benefits of nature, one sip at a time.